Hi everyone, I am Anshika and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create professional technical drawings using just ChatGPT. Whether you are an architect, interior designer, or student, this workflow can save you a lot of time and help you generate clean technical drawings with the help of AI. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and start a new chat. Then, upload a picture of any wall, cabinetry, or furniture piece that you want to convert into a technical drawing. For this tutorial, I'm using an image of a dining area where there is crockery unit visible. I'll ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for creating a 2D architectural CAD drawing for this unit. The most important phrase here is 2D architectural CAD drawing. This is the key term that tells ChatGPT what style of drawing you want to generate. After that, provide as much details as possible. Mention whether you need the front elevation, side elevation, top view, dimensions, annotation, and construction details, or any other specific information you want in your drawing. The more detail your prompt will be, the more accurate and professional the final 2D drawing is going to be. So, once you have told everything, ChatGPT will generate a customized prompt for you. Copy that prompt and paste it in a new chat and ask it to create an image. It will take a few minutes to create an image. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has generated the image while maintaining the architectural CAD drawing style. It has created the front view, side view, and the top view exactly as requested. Since I had already provided the dimensions for each drawer, the bottle storage, and other cabinet details in the prompt, it has incorporated those in the drawing as well. It has also added proper labels, dimension, construction notes, and a legend, making the drawing look much more like a professional technical sheet. So once your drawing image is ready, we can move on to the next step. Now go to Google and search for image DXF converter. Only open any reliable converter website and upload the technical drawing image that we have just generated. The conversion process may take a few minutes. Once it's completed, download the DXF file. Now you can import this DXF file into our AutoCAD, Rhino, or any other CAD software that you use for 2D drafting. From there, you can edit the drawing, adjust dimensions, modify line work, add details, or make any changes according to your project requirement. Just keep in mind that this is an AI generated conversion, so it's always good idea to review the drawing and make any necessary corrections before using it in your final project. Now let's look at some different drawing styles that are commonly used by architects and interior designers. Go back to the same chart where we generated the previous image. Edit the prompt by replacing 2D architectural CAD drawing with architectural annotated render. Leave the rest of the prompt exactly the same and generate the image again. Just by changing this one phrase, you will get a completely different style of output. Instead of a traditional CAD drawing, it will generate an annotated architectural render with labels, callouts, and visual references, making it great for client presentation and design documentation. As you can see, simply changing the drawing style gives you a completely different result. For example, if I replace it with architectural presentation board, and it will generate an entirely different type of output that's more suitable for presentations. Now you can experiment with different drawing styles depending on your workflow and type of output you need. If you would like to me to cover more architectural drawing style and explain when to use each one, let me know in the comments. I'll make a dedicated video where I'll go through all the different drawing styles and show you the results for each of them. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.